Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of neglect. The state or fact of being uncared for. For example, animals dying through disease or neglect. American pronunciation. Neglect. Neglect. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Neglect. Say. Neglect. Neglect means state of being neglected. Neglect. Neglect. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The pain of neglect and abandonment seemed to wear off. Now, repeat after me. The pain of neglect and abandonment seemed to wear off. The second practice. Children born into trauma, loss, deprivation and neglect begin this way. Now, repeat after me. Children born into trauma, loss, deprivation and neglect begin this way.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.